everyone have a good day so far. Happy Ramadan. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to draw a mannequin. Hope you enjoy it. Well, as usual, we put our three lines. Of course, do not forget the circles. You can see in this part I'm trying to complete the lines, and this is the final result. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give it a big thumbs up and share it. So thank you guys. Happy Ramadan. Thank you so much for the support.